What's up YouTube, this is JB back with another Mustang video. But first, let's start with some updates. So my rear end hopefully should be here by the end of the month. I did have to call them today because the axles came today. So I called to see, check on the rest of the stuff. The third member, the housing, even my full brake kit. Because I ordered all that from the same company. So they said that should be here hopefully by the end of the month. As far as suspension wise now, I do have everything in. The front springs and shocks finally came in today, so I'll open that at the end of this video. But from the thumbnail, you can see that this video is about my steering wheel. So let's go ahead and unbox that now. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and start this unboxing. First, I'm going to start off with this bigger box. I'm going to go ahead and set this one to the side. So, like I said, in the thumbnail, you can see that this is my steering wheel. Let's see. This stuff to the side. Oh, and my linkage steering column. So I did order an I-Did-It steering column, but it's not about to ship until the end of June. So, but I did go ahead and get the linkage pieces, the U-joints, all that stuff for that. So, go ahead and set this to the side. Alright, Billet Specialty. That's where I got the steering wheel from. So, let's go ahead and see which one I picked out. So I decided to go with the black anodized steering wheel. So you can see it's not all black. If you can see right here, you can see the inserts polished. So this is the steering wheel I decided to go with. What else is in this box? Let's see. Yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna leave this out right here. And let's go with the wrap. So oh yeah, and this is the 14-inch steering wheel. So I did go with the leather wrap. So the black leather. So, bam, it's gonna go ahead and look like this. And now let's do the horn. Horn button. So I went with, of course, the black with the little billet pieces. Let's see. So, bam. I think this is gonna go ahead and look good together. So, just to give y'all a little taste of what it's gonna look like. Bam, this is what it's gonna look like. Yeah, so. This is it. So now that I did that, Oh, still one more thing. This one I sat to the side. Let's see. Because the wheel does have to get attached to the steering column, right? So that's how I'm gonna do that. And I went with the chrome one. So this, of course, mounts to the steering column for forward attachment. And then basically after that, you attach the steering wheel to it, and bam, there you go. I mean, I wish I had the steering column now so y'all can see which one I went with, but it won't be here until probably July. So that's the steering wheel. And let me go ahead and get those shocks too. Alright, so here it is, my front shocks and springs. They are to go with my TCI Front Independent Suspension Kit. So they are ridetech single adjustables. So I mean, they finally came, but I ordered this stuff. I mean, first, for anybody who's doing any type of build right now, you know that everything is basically on back order. So this is nothing on TCI. I ordered it in the end of February, and you see the front springs are just now getting here. That's just like my steering column. I've been ordered that, but it's not set to get shipped until the end of June. So that means I'll be getting them in July. So I mean, that's just how it is right now. So if anybody else is out there building a car right now, start trying to order stuff now, so you're not trying to wait on stuff to go ahead and start the process. But this is the ridetech front springs and shocks. I want to thank everybody who's been watching the videos. Make sure y'all hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. And also, let's come up with a build name. Help me come up with a build name. Project what? So help me come up with that. So comment in the comments below what you think I should name this build. But until next time, all right, peace.